everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a really exciting Ipsy subscription unboxing. And it's taken a lot of willpower for me not to tear into this thing. I actually got it a few days ago, but just haven't had a time to film this video. So for those of you who like unboxings like this, especially makeup unboxings, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. So for those of you who aren't aware of what Ipsy is, it's a monthly subscription service where you get 5 beauty products to try out every month. This is the only subscription service I currently am enrolled in besides FabFitFun, and if you haven't checked out my recent FabFitFun unboxing for spring 2019, I'll link it down below. But these are currently my absolute favorite 2 subscription services. FabFitFun only comes every season, so in between seasons, I really look forward to getting this monthly beautiful pink glam bag in the mail to try out new beauty products. So the Ipsy service costs $10 a month and you get 1 glam bag per month. If you sign up for the annual subscription, you save a little bit of money as well. And the company is just amazing in terms of providing you with a ton of information about the products you receive, how to use them, and you also have the opportunity as Ipsy member to purchase full-size products as well at a huge discount. I did try some other beauty subscription boxes before, and while I enjoyed them, I actually favor Ipsy over all the others, largely because they always come in really cute packaging, and as you'll see, a really cute makeup bag comes with every month subscription. And I'm a total sucker for packaging, so to be honest, that's largely why I love Ipsy over some of the other boxes. But it's been really fun to try out new products every month as well, and try things that I wouldn't normally otherwise purchase on my own. So let's go ahead and tear into this thing. And my kids even know what this is when it comes in the mail already. And here is this month's bag, and every month it comes with a different cute makeup bag. So this month, let's see, it says, "And off she went to change the world." There's so many different cute designs and patterns they've used, and I have a ton of these laying around the house, but I just love them. They're perfect for just putting little makeup in or other items, especially if you want to carry it in your larger handbags. There's a cute little star zipper pull on this particular bag, and I love the rose gold. So inside, they always include a little card here, and they feature some cool things for the month. So here it's saying that it's National Women's History Month. They kind of tell you a little bit about that. They also have a new feature in the bags where they do go over all of the products that you're going to receive in this bag, which I don't want to look at yet because I want to be surprised. And they also tell you about some giveaways and beauty quizzes, different fun things they have online. But I really like this new option of looking at what's in your bag. They didn't have this previously. So the first thing here is the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. So I've had the full size of this before, which I think works really well for me. So this really handy mini mascara I think is going to be great to throw in my bag. Here's the applicator. It's a really full brush there. And for mascaras, I really like travel sizes like this because it's hard for me to go through a full-size mascara that quickly. And this is one thing that I definitely change out. I think they're recommended every 3 months because it's so close to your eye. So I want to use a small version where it's easy to just toss in the trash and not have to worry about working through a whole new one every 3 months. So I got the Man-Eater Tarte Mascara. And I should say that these glam bags technically are customized for you or personalized for you. You go online and fill out a profile about your skin tone, hair tone, things you enjoy, things you're looking forward to getting in your bag, and they try to customize it as much as they can. So every bag is really different. So I'm sure those of you who have Ipsy bag subscriptions as well probably got different items than I did. But these supposedly are customized to things that I probably would enjoy. The next thing is this Bubble Lemongrass and Green Tea Stimulating Body Lotion. It's supposed to be infused with essential oils to stimulate and invigorate your skin. So lemongrass and green tea. Let me pop it open for you here. It has a very light lemon and herbal scent to it, but it's moisturizing. think I'm going to enjoy that, especially now that I've gone back to work after being on maternity leave and I wash my hands quite a bit during the day. I really need to be better about moisturizing my hands, and this is a really handy purse size. So the third thing I have here, let's see, is this pretty large product. It looks like looks to be a fragrance. Nanette Laporte Colors of Nanette. Heard of this brand, but I haven't actually tried any of their products before. It's really cute packaging. And I believe you're able to go online and look at some of your products ahead of time as spoilers, but I actually haven't. Not because I didn't want to, I just don't really have the time to go on there and check ahead of time, and they don't actually send me direct emails on their own, so these are totally surprises for me. Well, I think this will be nice for spring. I'm not great at describing fragrances, but there's a little bit of a fruity floral, I'd say, hint to this. It's very fresh, and I think it would be really good for the spring months, which is why they included it in this bag. But really cute packaging on the actual vial as well, and a pretty large size, as you see here. Even though these are technically potentially sample sizes, it's 0.34 fluid ounces. And I do love how the purse or mini fragrances come with the spray caps rather than the roll-ons. I think this, for me at least, this seems to work out better, so I'm gonna look forward to trying this out more in the months to come. And the fourth thing I got here is the Pure Skin Perfecting Powder Afterglow Highlighter. It's a illuminating powder that adds radiance to the skin, and you apply it just like a typical highlighter. It's by the company Pure. So to be honest, as you can tell, these type of mini highlighters are probably some of my least favorite products to get in the Ipsy bags, just because they're really hard to use. It's hard to get out of the packaging, and they just come uncovered in a little pot like this. So it's not really user-friendly, but it has been nice at least to try out different types of highlighters. So it's very smooth on the fingertip. See how it swatches. You can see it there in my hand. To be honest, it doesn't apply that smoothly, but I think it does have a very nice glow. So I'm looking forward to giving this a try. And then I have one final product in here. And then we're all done. Beautiful pink lining, by the way. And it looks like Nature's Cartel nail polish. The color is Tactful Denial. Sounds interesting. And oh, it's a really, really pretty color. It looks like very light blush pink, and there is some shimmer in it. It's a really beautiful packaging again. And this color is really right up my alley. So one of the things I actually enjoy getting in Ipsy bags is nail polish, because I really haven't had to buy a bottle of nail polish in quite some time. I have tons to work through from the Ipsy bags, and the colors they send really have provided a pretty nice variety for me. I do favor these very neutral tones as well, however, because I think they're more appropriate or easier to wear to work. Colors that I have on now, for instance, are a little dark for work. However, I am still using it at work. But it'd be nice to, especially going into the spring and summer months, use more of these lighter, fresher colors. So I'm happy that I got this very neutral one by Nature's Cartel. So I'll be wearing this definitely in future videos, and you can check it out then. So that's the end of what I got in my Ipsy bag. Completely empty now. So I got 5 really cool items to try. Some of them I've tried before, some of them I haven't tried yet. And it's brands that are really new, fresh, and very popular on the market now. So things that I actually will use and potentially will buy again in the future. Please let me know down below if you have an Ipsy subscription as well, and some of the fun products you got this month and some things that you think I need to try. Please don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. Otherwise, I'll plan to see you again in my next video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.